Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type first in keyboard. Very easy and simple method to type this first in keyboard. So if you facing this error, you don't able to type here this first. So I will show you in keyboard method. So Control Shift plus is equal to. Firstly type here first ST and select this ST. Control Shift plus is equal to. Yeah, simple method. You can type here first. And now you can type any letter. So this letter will be in small letter. So turn off this. Click on this and you can again press this Control Shift plus is equal to. So this is turn off and you can now type here normal letters. So this way you can easily type this first using keyboard, and second way to type this first. So first click on, firstly select this ST, and here you see this X and 2. So just click on here. So you see this very easily you can type this. So this way you can type first using this keyboard. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.